Alright, we just got back from Mann Lake. We got the 2 Russian nukes and the package and 7 queens that we ordered, and we picked up an extra while we were there for, well, I don't remember the Hive 11, I believe. Frankie is labeling all the hives so we know what we're talking about. And we spent entirely too much money while we were there, and could have spent a lot more. We're gonna try to see if we can figure out which queen is what. They weren't labeled the very best.
We know this one's a Russian.
Is there any markings on it? No.
No. So we got 2 Russians in here, 2 Carniolans, and 3 Italians. That one has an R on the back. I'm assuming Russian. That one don't have anything on the back. Nothing on the back. So we have 3 with nothing on the back. I'm betting those are
The Italian.
The 2 R's is probably Russian.
And then the 2 green cages are the Big C.
We're missing one.
There was 2 of them in there.
It's in there. How did I miss that a second ago?
The lady that gave it to us missed it too.
I guess that's why there's a C on them. So those are Carniolans. Or Carnies for short.
Or Big C for people who can't talk.
So